Hello, welcome to Neuton, our multi-channel marketing platform with automation and personalization in mind. Built around a centralized database, it is designed to send personalized emails, direct mail, SMS, while also having the ability to post to Twitter and Facebook with the intent of driving your target audience to inbound channels in order to capture information through the use of surveys. Let's get started. The dashboard is where you will be directed to upon logging in. This is where you can view the current status of all campaigns that are running in real time. Easy to read reporting on emails sent and bounced, open rates, clicks, completed forms, and opt-outs for current campaigns. Customized settings can be set by clicking the three dots, then selecting parameters. These settings include selecting a campaign type such as acquisition, or reporting for a period of time campaigns have been active, as well as quickly exporting a report to a PNG for a reference. Following the dashboard is the Contacts tab. This is where all contacts will be uploaded and stored via CSV or Excel. The system also has the ability to link to other systems where contacts may be stored through ETL. The database is hosted on a cloud service with no limiting to your storage for constant growth of information. To view your contacts and their information, simply click View or Edit under Contact List Records. Once you are here, you can navigate through all contacts and click on anyone to view their schema buildup. The schema buildup is housed within contact list field mapping. Here you are given different fields of data that can be used to capture and sort the information of a contact. You may then use that information to build filters, which are simple queries that can be used to either include or exclude a list of contacts at the right time based on the filter set. This is what makes Neuton different from other systems. Instead of uploading a list and only having the option to send to that entire list, we use filters to trigger communications to the right set of people to either be included or excluded. Contact filters is where you can create and save filters to be used in future campaigns. This first blank space is the if statement of the equation. Within the drop-down, you are given an option to target people based on how they have responded to a campaign, opened or did not open an email, filled out a form, or also an option to target based on the schema, whether they have opted in, and if they meet any criteria for a special offer. Some options even give you more flexibility. Right now, I am asking the system to find anyone who is 25, or I can ask the system to find anyone who has a birthday one day, 1 week, 1 month from today. The next step is to set the equation with the command. The second bracket is looking for anyone who fits this statement or does not fit. You can also make these filters as complex as you would like with and or. And is for less, or is for more. If you need to see who exactly fits the filter, simply save and name your filter, run a count, and export the list into your custom list, which can be then exported into an Excel file. After the dashboard comes the asset library. This is where all images and media, including forms, will be housed. Simply place your images used for an email communication within the Email Images folder and Web Images within the Web Images folder. Once an image is uploaded into the system, you are then able to make any comments, which may be necessary when many people are in the platform at once, or make any edits to an image by clicking Edit Image. As I said earlier, the forms will be saved in here as well. To access your forms, click the folder Forms. Once there, you can edit forms that have been made or create a new one by clicking Add, then Form. Now we will move to where all of it comes together. The Campaigns tab is where you build your campaigns. The Campaign Runner is a massive white space built to allow the freedom of making a campaign as simple or complex as needed. Simply add elements by dragging and dropping from the toolbar at the top. filter element is similar to the Contact Filters tab within the Contacts tab. You can upload saved filters from here, or build a new one within the element. The Campaign Runner also has the ability to show counts in real time for those who fit the criteria of the filter. Next, we have our email element. As the name suggests, this is where the emails will be designed. Templates can be used and edited in order to get the email you desire. Drop images from your asset library, keywords to make the email automatically personalize, and change fonts, colors, and add links to your home website or social media pages. Within the Settings tab, there is a scheduler. The scheduler will run and deploy for the time that it is set to. It will not resend emails to those who have already received a communication. Set your approval type to either test or deploy your email. View all the times an email has run within executions and check the status to see if it is currently running. The direct mail element is similar. Simply click Edit to be taken to the direct mail piece. You can also make a direct mail piece just as personalized as an email by using the same keywords. Add a text box to write some copy, or add an image box to display an image. Within the Campaign Runner, click the three dots in the top right to access the Personalization tab. This is where all keywords will be made either based on the contact's information like first name, last name, and address, offers which can be shown to contacts if they meet the criteria, and user-defined keywords which can be anything from text to an image to a link image. Here's an example. After a campaign has run and you want to check the reports a little more in depth in the dashboard, click Reports on the top right. Here you can view a broken down report for everything. If you want to see how many clicks a URL got in an email, click Email Link. If you want to see the responses to a survey, click Survey Detail. If you want to see the open and did not open rates, as well as opt-outs, hard bounces, and soft bounces in a detailed graphic, click Email Status Graphical. Each report section works and displays information in its own way to properly meet your needs. A report to track contacts who reacted to a communication can be exported by simply clicking on the blue text. The contacts will download automatically to an Excel file. To export a list of all responses to a survey, select a campaign, followed by an element, and choose the file needed. Finally, click Export. This concludes a simple breakdown of our multi-channel marketing platform, Neuton.